The error in my ways. I was saying the biggest, and I should have been saying the longest, or at least the longest one that I can see in this particular piece. I'm going for a tube here, a long tube. Anyway, I ground this face down a little bit so I could get a better idea. And then this is going to be one end of a long bead. It's not going to be that long. I'd be amazed if it's even 3/4 of an inch. I'll be taking a slice through the stone this way. I'll go all the way through, all the way out past to where the whole thing falls off. And I'm assuming, good Lord willing, that I'm going to end up with a piece that's roughly under a 1/2 inch wide. It's thicker than a 1/2 inch here, but if I can get what I think's in there, I checked it out with my dial calipers, I should get a rectangular piece, kind of, with my first slice, and then I can figure out where to cut it off on the other end. I'm going to go ahead and go over and cut it off, and then I'll bring this back over and show you the results and explain to you what I'm going to do next. If you will notice, once I ground that off, this is a very rich deep blue in this stone. This end still looks kind of doggy, but it has never been ground off since it was mined or tumbled. Anyway, I'll be back.